This is a Midwest Micro Elite CRT monitor from 1992. Or maybe it's actually an Infotel Incorporated CRT monitor from 1992. If I search the FCC ID on this monitor, it comes up with a third company, and that third company may also be related to CTX, which was another monitor manufacturer in the early 90s. I don't know. The point is, this thing is a little bit broken. So the VGA port here, you can probably hear that. It's just like completely loose. In fact, the whole circuit board's loose, and unless you get the VGA like perfectly aligned, it won't display a picture. My main goal is I just want to get the VGA port fixed so that I can actually display a picture on this. So there's a bit of a problem, which is that this thing is old. I mean, 92, most generic, like crappy model ever. And so you're not actually going to find like a service manual or anything for this. I mean, this is like pre-mass adoption of the web. And so I'm kind of just going to have to go into this blind. But I guess it looks like there's 2 screw posts right here. And maybe we can get the top off. So I've got my screwdriver kit of doom here. We're going to go ahead and attempt to pop this sucker open. What the heck? Top of my freaking screwdriver fell off, man. There we go. That was anticlimactic. Okay. It's actually pretty clean inside, all things considered. Looks like we have a Chunghwa tube. My favorite brand. Heck yeah. So this is what it looks like. I don't really have like space to be filming here. Like, I just like kind of threw everything on the bed, so anyways, we have a circuit board. And it's kind of just like, yep. Now I think it looks like the VGA port is loose, and so that's probably why it wasn't working well. I guess we'll go ahead and grab the soldering iron and give this a try. Alright, we're going to be using the Xtronic soldering iron. And I've also got all of its assorted little bits and bobs here, so let's see what I have for it. I've got soldering braid to desolder this. I've got some nice thick Xtronic branded solder. I don't know why I said soldering, it's just solder. And then I have Chip Quick soldering flux to make this nice and easy.
Toward the fucking sky. 4 corners and pimpin' B, creepin' cause that's how we be. Baby nigga from 4 corners, now you know we got the click. 4 corners and pimpin' B, creepin' cause that's how we be. Do my number 4 in the toward the fucking sky. Once again, stepping smooth, cheapin' on the Mac J, standing on the curb west side, sippin' Alizé all day, counting boning with that nigga Ramsey. Then head to the liquor store to pick up some more 2020. Plus I'm waiting for them dirty hoes that finna come over here. The bitch came and told me to stick my dick into her ear. Now it's on, I got the bone. Time to get my serve on. While the bitch was sucking my dick, I was holding tight to my tone, just in case she tried to set me up. But at 211, I unloaded the clip and I bet cause a nigga like me wasn't going, my son. How I knew that bitch was fake, the hoe was acting new and shit. Slid my piece by my feet, trying to avoid this hit. Quickly left the house, quiet as a fucking mouse. Another rapper tried to set me up. I put that tone in his mouth, open wide is what I said. When I tossed him on the car, put that thing to his face, smile, ho, say boom was the sound. But I clowned at the wrong time, his niggas ran up on me. All I had was my 9, blood on my shirt, then it's blood on my pro wings. And since he sold dope, he had the help of them dope fiends. All I did was backed up, they tried to jump me all at once. I yelled 4 corners, and then Ramsey popped the trunk, threw my number 4 in the air toward the fucking sky. Pimpin' Bill niggas had commenced to do a drive-by. 4 corner niggas just so quick to click. When we vamp, we yell 4 corners ain't born that shit.
Okay, new problem. I went to put this sucker back together and like this thing's loose. Look at that. So I'm gonna have to completely desolder it and put it all the way back on, I think. Alright. So I think it's just these supports here, hopefully. They're not properly aligned, so we're going to try. Fingers crossed, you just kind of hold it down. I'm sure this isn't the recommended way to do this. We're just going to try to hold it down. Tack those supports on. And hopefully, if all goes to the moon, it should work okay. So that's good. There it goes. Hang the PC on. Okay. Holy crap! We fixed it! Let's go, dude. Wow.